Today is all about sublimating canvases. Yeah, I'm going to do a full video over on my YouTube channel on how I do this, but it's a great way, if you have access to sublimation, to be able to transfer designs to a canvas. I already have this for my product-based business, so I use this for my art parties as well, and it works really good. Basically, I have these outlines printed with my sublimation printer, and I have a cushion that goes underneath the canvas. You don't have to do any special prep to these canvases because the gesso is acrylic based and it works just like polyester. And yeah, I just tape them down and press them with my heat press.